This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play 1 versus 1 on BloodStrike. First, navigate to the custom match option from the main menu. From there, invite your friend or another player to join your private lobby. Next, select the 1 versus 1 game mode from the available options. Finally, choose your desired map and adjust any specific game settings before starting the match. This setup ensures a fair and focused duel. The objective in 1 versus 1 is straightforward: eliminate your single opponent. Each round is usually quite short, often lasting less than 1 minute, demanding quick thinking. The player who achieves more eliminations across the set number of rounds will win the entire match. Success hinges on precise aiming, smart movement, and anticipating your rival's actions. Stay focused on outmaneuvering them. To win your 1 versus 1 matches, always use cover to your advantage, minimizing exposure to enemy fire. Spend time mastering your chosen weapon's recoil and understanding its unique firing patterns. Try to anticipate where your opponent will move next, using common pathways to your benefit. Practicing quick-scoping and aiming for headshots will significantly increase your elimination speed. For advanced play, experiment with various weapon loadouts to discover what suits your style best. Thoroughly learn the unique layouts of each map, identifying key vantage points and choke points. Don't forget to use grenades and other tactical equipment strategically to gain an edge. Remember, consistent practice is crucial for improving your reaction time, aim, and overall game sense.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.